こんにちは。ご機嫌いかがですか？今日は優しい漢字の2つ目のビデオ、プレゼンテーションを作ってみました。Today, we are going to learn 3 kanji characters. Characters for a person, large, and small. So this is a kanji character for hito. So this kanji is read as hito, jin, or nin. And I also posted a shot of this kanji, how this kanji was made in the first place. Very simple. Here is kanji for o, meaning large or big. This kanji character is read o, dai, or tai. You see hiragana letters ki and i in red color. That is called furigana, and furigana is used with a kanji character to make a meaningful word. Here is a shot of the origin of these kanji, in this case big and small. And on the next page, next slide, I posted a short video to show how to write these kanji characters. Before the video, here is another kanji character for small. This kanji character is read chisai with furigana, ko, o, or sho. With 3 kanji we learned, we can make kanji words. The first one is a combination of dai and nin. There are 3 ways of reading this kanji words. The first one is otona. The second one is dainin. And last one is daijin. I wrote down description for each word. And as an extra, here is a sentence that we sometimes use conversationally. あなた大人ね. This meaning maybe surprisingly young person is acting very maturely. We can say it this way, あなた大人ね. But of course, just like any other language, by using a different tone of voice, this can be used sarcastically too. The next one is a word consisting of 2 kanji characters of sho and nin. This also has 3 ways of reading. The first one is kobito. The next one is shonin. And the last one is shojin. And at the bottom, as an extra, I wrote down 白雪姫と7人の小人. This is a famous Disney movie title. So now Snow White is 白雪姫 and 小人 is dwarfs. The last one is a combination of dai and sho, and it is read daisho. This means large things and small things, but a lot of time it means from large things and small things, meaning many things. At the bottom, I wrote down something interesting, maybe a little bit funny, but sometimes we say like this: 大それとも小大それとも小 This means number 2 or number 1 in American English. Well, at least in the United States, when you say this, everybody knows that we are talking about something to do with toilet. So now you know it. Just the order is different because a lot of times in the States we say number 1 or number 2, but in Japanese I think it is more common to say dai それとも小, but of course they are interchangeable. Okay, finally we are at the last page of these slides. Here you can see 2 kanji characters we learned today, dai and sho. A lot of times you see these kanji characters on the lever of the toilet to flush water. Once again, dai and sho. はい、じゃあ今日はここまでです。また頑張ってください。さようなら。